Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage ambient mode. In the beginning, let's go to menu and enter ambient mode. Now, simply select the category of ambient mode between Routine, Q Collection, Special Edition, Cinematograph, Mood, Relaxation, Decor, My Album, Info, Artwork, Background, Theme, and next you can go to About Ambient Mode. Let's select, for example, Relaxation, Butterfly. Now your TV is downloading the theme. And ambient mode is enabled. Next you can go to ambient settings and enable receivable auto brightness. Select sleep after between 4 hours and off. Change brightness, blue tone, green tone, red tone, color tone and saturation. And that's basically it for the ambient mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.